Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Meet to a Google Calendar event. So let's say you're going to have a meeting with some coworkers or other teachers or whatever, and not everybody can be in the same physical location at once, so you decide to add a Google Meet, or it would be useful to do that. So as you are creating this event, you have the option to add a Google Meet so that some people can video conference in. Let's say I click on that, and now what that will do is that creates a link that will host the Google Meet, so guests can use that to join in virtually, whatever they need to. And then I can copy that, any info, video call options. So if I click on that, what do I want to have happen here? I can set the options for this video meet ahead of time, just to save myself some trouble. All right, click on the down arrow. There's the meeting ID, phone numbers in case people want to join by phone. Here's the PIN number to join. Just really advantageous in a world where sometimes people can't be where you need them to be, but they can conference in using video. Just a great option to have with your Google Calendar events.